What's going on, you guys? An everyday Canadian, and today is a review slash surprise, I guess you could say it. Scott had told me that there's something coming in the mail for me. He didn't tell me what, but he told me to be here Friday, and it's what I've always wanted, and it came in the mail today, so we are going to open this up and show you guys as well as me. Never seen this, so what you guys are seeing is what I'm seeing for the first time. So I'm really excited, and let's get to it. I can tell it's from Amazon because of the smile on the front of the box. So I'm pretty excited. Okay. Alright, let's see what this is. Aww, comes in a little wrapping. Oh, and there's a card.
I got it custom wrapped for you.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah.
And it says a gift for you. And there's a card. It says, I know how much you wanted lights for your car, and this is what I have wanted to get for you for a long time. I love you, babe. XOXO, love, Scott. Aww.
Hee hee.
A gift note from Scott. Oh, and then I got another card here. And then our address, which we don't need to show that. Oh my goodness. So it's, oh, I can't wait to see this. Oh, it's such beautiful, beautiful bag. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited.
I'm excited.
I'm excited.
They have a really good review for this.
Oh my goodness. I love the bag. Okay, so it's a small box.
Big surprises come in small packages, so.
Oh my goodness.
Can I see the front?
Wow. Now I'm excited to open it.
That's the car I got her too, guys.
Yeah. Alright, let's open this up and see what it looks like. Alright, so we got our lights.
She really wanted this, guys. So her car, I kind of want to deck out like Fast and the Furious a little bit. So this is the start of getting her car
it comes with a remote!
Yeah.
I can change the colors on it.
Show them.
That's the remote it comes with.
And those are all the colors it comes with.
These are the instructions. Sorry, I'm just really...
Is it upside down? So, she really wanted this for her car, guys. I thought I would share it with you.
Look, show them this.
So this is basically what it does. It lights up your car, and it goes with the beat of your music inside your car. So it changes a whole bunch of different colors, which we are going to show you guys installing it, and at nighttime too, what it looks like.
Oh, look at all the cord it gives you. Okay, guys, so... Oh. Sorry, I'm just this excited.
He's excited.
Okay, so we are going to stop this video.
Can you show them the lights?
Yeah, okay, so this is the remote. So once I pull this, the battery inside, there is a battery that comes with it. So it will work. So once I pull this little tab, then this will be ready to go. You plug this into either like your cigarette lighter thing, which I don't have, but I do have a charge port in my car. So you do is you plug that into where you charge your cell phones and stuff, which I don't use my cell phone while driving. And then you press the on button, and then you
show them the on button because it looks like a NOS like injector button. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Okay, so anyways, this thing is your sensor thing for your remote. So I can change my remote to any different color I want that's on the remote. Plus it has music pumping to go with the music.
Yeah.
So I'm really excited about that. And this is the sensor for it. I thought this was for your cell phone, but it's not. It's just a sensor for this. So also comes with a lot, I've noticed, a lot of cord, and then our lights. So we're going to go hook this up, and we're going to show you guys what it looks like during the day, and then we're going to show you at nighttime. See you guys soon. Let's go. Okay, guys, so we are in the car right now. I just plugged it in, so we're just going to do a test or turn on. So there's the lights. Again, it's not really dark out, but we're going to turn them on. So all of them are working. Great. I'm going to pull this tab. All right, now we're going to change it to purple. Oh, sweet. Red. Green. Oh, there's
green.
Blue.
Wow. white, orange,
yellow,
bright, baby blue.
There's a couple different
purple,
light and dark colors.
and there's red. And then we're gonna do a jump.
Wow.
And then we're gonna do a jump 7.
Oh, it's more of a different motion.
And then we're gonna do a fade 3.
Oh, it comes on slower.
And then a fade 7.
Wow.
And then we're gonna do some music. Red music. Da 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 da. Oh, it goes to my voice.
Hello. Hello.
Do, 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 do,
Hello.
do.
Woo!
Okay, music 2.
That is cool.
Da 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 da. This is so
Oh my
freaking
God.
fun. Okay, music 3. Da 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 da. It's Christmas. And then music 4. Do
Do do do do.
ba da 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 da. Da da da.
Whoop. Hello. Hello.
All right, guys. Oh, and brightness. I'm gonna see if I can make it brighter. Hold on. I'm gonna go to.
That is really cool. I hope you enjoyed it.
Oh my God, I'm so in love with it. Thank you so much, baby.
Love ya.
Okay, so we're gonna hook it up, and I'll show you guys once I'm done hooking it all up, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like at nighttime. See you soon. Alright guys, so the downfall about it was the sticky part, the two-way sticky part that's on the back of the lights was not sticky at all. So I really wanted my lights. I went to the dollar store and I picked up two-way Velcro tape. So I mean, it works, it's on, so let's give it a go. This is the daytime version, then we're going to do a nighttime version. So this is a day. So we're going to turn our light on, our NOS button. And then we're going to turn our lights on. This is green. Okay, it is going to my voice, so when I'm talking, it's flickering. This is solid red. Okay. This is solid green. This is solid blue. This is solid white. This is solid orange. This is solid yellow. Solid baby blue. And this is purple. Okay, and these are, again, the jumping. Jump 1. This isn't voice activation, this one. This is just my own style. Jump 7. This would be fade. Fades of different colors. Fade 7. This is music 1. This goes to your voice. Again, it goes to your voice. Music 2. So if you really got music going in your car, then this is a good one to have. This is music 3, and it just flickers a lot more once it goes to your voice. So again, it's voice activation. And this is fade 4, which is even more flickery.
Did you tell them you installed it in the back seats too?
Yeah, they are in the back seat, so if you want to show them. My car is a little messy, so that's the back seat. You got the floor, give me it. Oh, hold the camera. Okay, so again, that's on the back floor. Yes, I got a vacuum, I know. And I have them there. And I have the other one there. I have my driver's side one down there. And my passenger side one.
So let's look at this when it's nighttime.
Alright, we'll see you guys at nighttime. Do. Alright guys, so here is my car. Again, it's not the cleanest, but I am ecstatically happy that I got these lights. I just want to say thank you to Scott for getting me these. I am truly madly super duper excited, and I can't wait to drive at nighttime now. And I have a nighttime job, so it works out perfect for me. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. This is an Everyday Canadian. Take care, guys.